Hello everybody and welcome to Drew in the Moment. We are here in Lakeland, Florida for a gigantic car show. I mean, this thing is insane. Cars getting shipped over from other countries, no joke, all over the States. Amazing to have like unique cars, you know, just classic cars, because it is called the Lake Mirror Classic Car Show. So I can't wait to show you guys all the cool stuff here. Thank you for checking out the video. We hope you enjoy, but let's not waste any more time and let's get to checking out some cars. Let's do it. So right away, we're gonna show you guys, look at this car. Wow, man. We got a Porsche. This is a 1964 Porsche 904 GTS Recreation. I only know that. I'm not a huge car guy. I like cars, but I don't know a lot about them. I'm just reading off what they say, but man, this reminds me of like Speed Racer. It's got that Speed Racer vibe, man. Wow. That is a very cool car, man. So yes, this is where a lot of the crowds are coming. We got some vets over here because they do, you know, for the most part, keep like cars with each other. So, you know, keeping all the Corvettes together. Ooh, see, I do like this one, the Stingray. Love the Stingray Corvette, man. That is awesome. But I'm noticing a very cool car over here. Let's go check this out. The 2020 Bugatti Diva. Look at this thing. Holy schmolies, man. This is a beautiful car. Oh my word. Look at the interior. Yep. This is a couple dollars right here. That is a very sleek, gorgeous looking car, man. Not to be outdone by the other Bugatti. This is a 1937 Bugatti 57S. This thing is insane. It's like, it almost looks like, you know, obviously classic and old, but at the same time a little bit futuristic. This thing is awesome. Holy cow. Look at the interior. That is one big steering wheel. Just want to let you guys know, so this is Lake Mirror, and across the way is where a whole bunch of cars are, but not only over here, they are up and down the streets throughout Lakeland, downtown Lakeland. So we have quite a few areas to get to. This Pontiac here, this is gigantic, man. What a cool looking car though. Look at this thing. Man. Nice and clean under the hood. Wow, man. These are the kind of cars you can come down and see. I mean, I don't think I've ever seen this car in my life. Got ourselves a Rolls Royce from the Oaks Estate. Look at that, man. I love it when they add wood to cars. I don't know what it is for me. It's just super unique. But you guys will end up spending quite a lot of time checking out these cars because there is so many. This thing is awesome. It's a 1904 Oldsmobile Curve-6C. Look at this. And it's got the little horn. It's like, wow, wow. Look at this thing. I would totally drive this thing. Man, look at the tires too. Just crazy cool. This is what I would dream of as a child to be able to drive. It's a 1959 Midget Roadster race car. I love the yellow. I definitely love the yellow. That thing's got to be fast. Fast and scary to drive. And then over here we got a Plymouth. Look at the, I think it's called a fairing, the wing on the back. That thing is gigantic. I wonder really how like aerodynamic that really could be. Plymouth Barracuda. I love the color on this thing. That purple and black, that pops. That is really, really cool. Wow. This dragster, holy schmolies, man. 2010 Miller Dragster.
Judging results are being put together now.
That's all electric.
We will proceed to our awards ceremony around 2 o'clock or shortly thereafter.
Look how tiny that steering wheel is. I just cannot stress how many cars. And we're just in one area, kind of the main focal area. We still got some streets to go to, but coming right up is a super unique vehicle. It's a GM. I think it's you know, one of few in the world. This thing is insane. So it looks like you can get up inside it. Wait in line and you get up inside it. You might have to do that. You got like, it's like a little museum in the vehicle. How cool is that? I just can't express how crazy this thing is. Look at this. General Motors Parade of Progress. This is gigantic. How do you even drive this on the road? Holy cow, man. Seriously, I don't think you guys understand how big this thing is. But seriously, this thing is insane. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. If you've ever seen one of these or how you feel about it. 'Cause I think it's amazing. I would buy this and live in it. We got the 1924 Ford Model T pickup. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous vehicle. Oh, I love it. Look at the truck bed. It's a wood truck bed. Oh, that is gorgeous. Seriously, that is beautiful. Oh, you gotta have your little gas tanks just in case, you know? You never know when you're gonna run out of gas. But yeah, look, inside there. And the steering wheel looks like it was flipped upside down for some reason. Or maybe it's always like that, I don't know. But what a cool car. And next year, this thing is gonna be 100 years old. And this is who you'd be waiting on if you needed the fire department back in the day. It's so shiny and red. I love these little, like, you know, the Roadster, these like, I don't know. If you guys have ever seen the movie Funny Farm, I don't know if you guys have, but these type of cars remind me of that movie with Chevy Chase in it. Because he has like a car that's like this. Maybe not exactly like it. Like I said, I'm not a car guy in the sense that I know what I'm talking about. But I do like cars, and when I see shiny things, I'm like, oh, that's nice. Man, just crazy. But next up, over on the lake, they just said at 1 o'clock, they're gonna have, I guess, like a car boat and some speedboats. So let's check out what's going on over on the lake. All right, guys, here we go. The AMPA cars are getting into the water. This is so cool.
They're going to run around the lake for a few minutes, and that will be followed by our vintage wooden speedboats.
Yes, the speedboats that are right in front of me. They're going to be flying around the lake very shortly. Oh, we got one AMPA car in the water. Yeah, here it comes. Look at that, that is so awesome.
Baby blue, by the back of the award step.
That is just awesome. I love it. It does feel like I'm in Disney Springs right now.
The cars are in the water.
All right, so now is our time. We're gonna leave this area. We're gonna hit some of the streets up there because they have a ton more cars. I did hear, hopefully we can find it, there's like a street filled with DeLoreans. That's what I said. I know. So hopefully we can find that. But if not, hey, it is what it is. But let's go head over to downtown Lakeland and check out some more cars. Let's do it. Now we have made it onto one of the many streets. Just, it's like, there's no way I'd be able to film every single vehicle today. There's just so many, man. Oh my goodness. Like seriously, all down these streets, man. I don't even know what to show you guys right now. Wow. Look at this thing right here. An English Ford Anglia? That's cool. We got another English Ford Anglia Roadster. I love the color on this thing. Oh my goodness, man. Look at that. That is amazing. This is just downright hilarious. Got a little tow truck with a little tiny, kid's car. Look at that. This thing is awesome, and I think I actually remember seeing this last year at this exact car show. I remember feeling the same way. I thought it was awesome. Well, lo and behold, look what I ended up finding. Look at all of these DeLoreans. I have never in my life seen this many DeLoreans in one area. This is crazy. There's got to be at least 10, 12. Look at these, man. I love the DeLorean. Absolutely love the DeLorean. You got the one over here with the, doors open. I wonder if it does have the flux capacitor. Doesn't look like it. So I don't think this one's going into the future. Seriously though, like I'm in the middle of the DeLoreans and they still keep going down. That is insane. Let me know if you've ever seen this many DeLoreans in your life. We've got a truck area here for all the old school trucks, loving the Fords. You got the 1933 Ford pickup. Look at this thing. Oh, an animal's driving. Or at least he's a passenger. Thing right here is awesome. A 2012 McLaren MP4 12C. Look at this thing. This is a gorgeous car, man. I love it when the doors flip up like that, you know? Wow. Beautiful car. I figure why not show some Ferraris, but this is the Ferrari. Oh. A Ferrari 296 GTB. This thing is gorgeous.
Just like this.
Great paint job too. Up on my area for sure. We've got the microbus, the VW bus. Oh, 1967. Look at this thing. This is what I get really excited about. I'm a huge Volkswagen van guy. Look at that, look inside. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love the red and white. This thing is just amazing. Look at this. Oh, I want to live in here. I absolutely want to live in here. This is my dream car. Or dream van, as you will. They've got another one over here in the green. I like the red and white better, but hey, I'd take the green. I'd take the green. This is a Westfalia, so it basically, you know, it's a camper.
Have you got plans?
So you can camp. Oh man. I seriously, I need one of these. I need one of these in my life. Oh, I love it. Absolutely love it. All right, everybody, I figured this is a good place to stop. My dream vehicle. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you get a chance to come and check out this car show. It is so cool. And it's typically, I believe, the third week in October. It's for 3 days, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And it's a ton of fun. And it's free to get in. So you just park, come, hang out, check out some cars. So thank you guys again for watching the video. I hope you consider subscribing to the channel. And till we see you next time, guys, remember, there's only one way to live, in the moment. Bye, guys.